everyone, this is Bison. Everyone claims their diesel generator are heavy duty, but few are willing to prove it. Today, we are putting our Bison diesel generator through a double torture test. Let's go.
First, the scientific proof using a commercial load bank. Then, the real-world cows with heavy construction tools. Can it survey smooth? Let's turn up the heat. Phase 1. The numbers don't lie. We are hooked up to an industrial load bank. We are stepping it right past 50% and slamming it up to 100% capacity. Listen to the engine horn. It drops for a fraction of a second and immediately locks in. Look at the digital panel. Even at absolute maximum draw, the voltage is rock solid. This proves the pure copper alternator and governor act perfectly tuned.
Scientific data is great, but our customers don't operate in a lab. They operate on dusty, demanding job sites. So, for phase 2, we are ditching the load bank and plugging in the real power killers.
Test 1. Check out this massive startup surge from a heavy-duty air compressor. It draws a huge initial power spike, yet the generator handles it perfectly and runs through the startup effortlessly.
Test 2. Watch this load test. We hook up an electric hammer. The load is spiking up and down violently, but this diesel engine compensates instantly. No starting at all. Test 3. We hook up a duty angle grinder and cut straight into sheet metal. Just listen to this Bison generator. It keeps the RPMs rocks solid steady, pumping out consistent power the whole time. Look at those endless spikes flying. Use the hard jet on the load bank and the raw power on the concrete. If you want to supply your customers with heavy-duty power they can really trust, skip the middleman. Hit the link below for wholesale pricing. See you next time.